Morning, guys. Working on the fence. Is this right?
It's a big problem.
Why?
Because
The pipe?
the pipe.
You just have to be careful for it.
But if you dig and this is outside.
That post on the outside, how come? Gary didn't do a good job putting them posts up.
What about this one? If you have the cameras
You can't.
inside, maybe this is.
Yeah, it's a problem.
If you judge seeds, so exchange to cut the.
But where did you put the nylon? I want to see where you put the nylon. So, working on
The
the.
motor is always conditioned. Or no, I will run to boot. I start the boot. You can don't shades the mechanic.
What do you say? Oh, you gotta pull once and then. Yeah, I already know that. But
16 horsepower, not 6.
how about the choke? Up or down?
The choke?
Yeah, you put it up.
Up and down.
Okay. Talking about the motor. We're going fishing tonight for sure. We're going with 2 boats, my boat and then Roger's boat. Okay. Let's see. So here's your property line right here. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is on this side, but the line is here. Look at.
Yeah.
You have the property goes this far over. Look at.
Yeah.
See this? See this right here?
Yeah.
Look where it is.
Put the nylon here.
Yeah. Yes, I know.
Maybe the post is.
It's fine. Leave the line where it is. It's fine. But when you put the fence, make sure it's right up against the line.
Yeah.
Because the line is already back. Leave it where it is. That's fine.
Leave?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah. Okay. So always
The problem is the.
you got to work around it. You just have to be careful. We can't move the plumbing.
The plumbing.
Yeah, you can't move it. It has to stay. So you have to just be careful.
Please go to my house to cut the seeds. No, because no gasoline, only 1 tank only. But if you go, no, come.
That's why you didn't go squid fishing last night?
Yeah.
Because you don't have enough gas?
Yeah, but I will put the gas small, and the gas is inside your.
Was there gas in the tank?
Yeah, small. But
Nobody steal the gas?
No.
Did someone steal the gas out of the motor?
yeah,
They did? No.
small gasoline I will put, but the gasoline is in your.
So that's fine. That's fine. Leave that where it is.
The post outside.
That's okay.
Same.
That's okay. This is fine. There's enough room for the hollow blocks in the posts. Just be careful for the electrical. The electrical and the water is here. You can do it. Just be careful.
the post is there, not outside.
No, put the post on the outside, but make it. But yeah, but make it touch the line. Make it touch the line. I don't think they're gonna complain about this much, right?
No.
Right?
But this post no.
Maybe we can't use that post.
No.
No, we can't use it.
Yeah.
Don't use it.
Yeah.
Okay? Just leave it. Just leave it there. It's not my problem.
Yeah.
Don't use it. You just make another hole.
Hole in the outside, inside. She said that because
The post. This is the post, right? The post should be on the outside of the line, but touching the line.
yeah.
Okay? So that one's no good. Don't use that post. Yeah.
If you're the outside the post, the center of the post is. Look at this side.
Really don't want to walk back here because it hurts my feet. And it stinks back here. It smells like dead bodies. See what I'm talking about? I'm not Filipino. I can't walk graciously through all these rocks and bushes.
Like this, the lublof.
But again, the post there, property line is on the outside.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
The post is a little bit out. Just put the.
If you.
I don't know. You do what you have to do. I get it. I'm getting a headache. I have a headache already.
Today.
Just
If you file outside, dali mo dito. The file is inside.
but the property line is still a little bit further
Yeah.
further out. You can put the post on the outside, but just make sure it's against the line.
Ato ko lagi to. Yung sa man ni file dire. Then dalo block. Outside. No. That's true.
Okay. So follow the line.
Yeah. Follow the line.
Yeah.
The problem is the water line. You still didn't to.
So problem is the water line. Yeah.
Small. But the post you cannot.
Yeah.
I'll make a new post.
Yeah.
Post is not.
Yeah. Yes. Don't use that post. So we gotta make new posts because when they built these posts, they had no regard for the property line, and it's been like this for a long time, many years. But there's gonna come a day when someone's gonna want to build on this property. They're gonna survey it, and the surveyor is gonna say, "This guy's wall is on your property," and then boom, what do I have to do? Tear the wall down. So it's better to do it right this time. So that post right there is useless. And then when you come over here, this water line is right on the line. It's going to be a pain in the ass. And I don't want to have to pay the plumber all over again because he's not going to be happy. I'll have to pay him to come and reconnect these lines. And then you know what's going to happen? He'll put it back together haphazardly and it'll leak. So we'll see. So this is I just woke up. This is my morning issue. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. See you on the next one. Got my chickens back there. Hopefully they're not stuck in a chicken trap.